In this video, we're going to talk about number lines. So what are number lines? Look, a number line is very simply, it's just a line. It looks like this. It can be drawn on a page and it's broken into little intervals. Now, some of these already have numbers put on them. Some of them come blank like this one. But I'm just going to go ahead now and just put some numbers onto this one so that I can show you how it works. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Each one of these points here represents a number. We can use these to help us solve addition problems, subtraction problems, all kinds of number problems. In this example, I'm just going to use it for a simple addition problem so you can see how it works. So we could have 5 plus 12 equals, don't know yet. The way that we use it is, first of all, if we're going to start with 5, we could start with, we find the number 5, and that's here. And then we need to add on 12. So we could do that in a few different ways. We might take a jump of 10 and go up to 15, and then 2 more. So we've broken the plus 10 plus 2, and that takes us to 17. So we know our answer then is 17. Remember, in a few videos ago, we talked about starting from the larger number. This would be a good opportunity to show how we could do that differently. We could rewrite our original problem as 12 plus 5 equals. And we'll get to the same answer, but in a different way. We're going to start with 12, found our number 12, and then we're going to add 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this time we did jumps of just plus 1 each time. And we're going to get a final answer again, of course, same answer, 17. These are a great tool for showing different ways of thinking about things, different ways of approaching problems, and showing mental processes as well. So we're going to be using number lines a lot. Thanks very much, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching. If you'd like more help with this or any other maths concepts, you can head over to my website, links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.